Imagine a garden, a place where time seems to stand still and the worries of the world fade away. Picture yourself walking along a stone path surrounded by vibrant blooms and lush greenery. Gentle morning light bathes the scene, casting a golden glow on everything it touches. Birdsong fills the air, creating a symphony of nature's melodies that soothes the soul. The scent of roses drifts on the breeze, mingling with the earthy aroma of the soil. Each breath you take is filled with the essence of tranquility. This is a place of peace where the mind can wander freely and the heart can find solace. The gentle rustling of leaves and the distant hum of bees create a calming backdrop. Flowers in every color of the rainbow bloom in harmony, each petal a testament to the beauty of nature's palette. The garden is alive with color and life. Vivid red poppies stand tall, their vibrant hue a striking contrast against the greenery. They sway gently in the breeze as if dancing to an unheard melody. Delicate bluebells carpet the ground, their soft blue petals creating a serene and calming effect. They invite you to pause and appreciate the simple beauty around you. This is a feast for the senses, the vibrant colors, the fragrant scents, the gentle sounds, all come together to create an experience that is both invigorating and soothing. In this garden, troubles melt away. The stresses of everyday life seem distant and unimportant. Here you can simply be. The worries of everyday life fade into the background. The garden offers a sanctuary, a place to escape and find peace. We find ourselves lost in the moment, captivated by the beauty and tranquility that surrounds us. Each step we take is a step away from the chaos of the outside world. The garden is a reminder of the beauty of the natural world. It is a place where we can reconnect with nature and find inspiration in its simplicity and elegance. It is a place to reconnect with ourselves and find inspiration. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the garden, we are reminded of the endless beauty and peace that nature offers. Each flower has its own unique charm, a testament to nature's incredible diversity and creativity. From the delicate petals to the vibrant hues, every bloom tells a story of resilience and beauty. Roses, with their velvety petals and intoxicating fragrance, speak of love and romance. They have been symbols of passion and admiration for centuries, often featured in poetry and art as emblems of deep emotion. Tulips, with their bold colors and graceful forms, bring a touch of elegance and sophistication. Originating from Central Asia, these flowers have traveled the world, captivating hearts with their simple yet striking beauty. Daisies, with their cheerful simplicity and bright yellow centers, evoke feelings of joy and innocence. Often associated with purity and new beginnings, they are a favorite in gardens and wild meadows alike. These flowers have inspired artists and poets for centuries. Their beauty has been captured in countless paintings, poems, and songs, each one a tribute to the timeless allure of nature's creations. They remind us of the beauty that surrounds us, encouraging us to pause and appreciate the simple pleasures in life. In every petal and leaf, there is a story waiting to be discovered, a moment of wonder to be cherished. Gardens are not just collections of plants. They are living, breathing canvases that tell the stories of those who tend to them. Each garden is a unique expression of its creator's vision, dreams, and personality. They are reflections of the people who create them. The act of gardening is a deeply personal journey where every seed planted and every flower nurtured holds a special meaning. Some gardens are wild and untamed, bursting with a riot of color and texture. These gardens mirror the free spirits and adventurous souls who thrive on spontaneity and embrace the beauty of chaos. Others are carefully planned and meticulously maintained, with every plant in its perfect place. These gardens reflect the meticulous planners and detail-oriented individuals who find joy in order and precision. No two gardens are the same, just like no two people are the same. Each garden, with its unique design and character, tells a story of individuality and personal taste. Whether we prefer a formal rose garden or a wildflower meadow, our choices in gardening reflect our inner selves. The structured elegance of a rose garden speaks to those who appreciate classic beauty and tradition. Our gardens reflect our personalities and passions. The wildflower meadow, on the other hand, appeals to those who love the natural, untamed beauty of the world. In the end, our gardens are mirrors to our souls, revealing our deepest desires and passions. You don't need acres of land to experience the joy of gardening. Even a small balcony or patio can be transformed into a thriving oasis. Window boxes overflowing with colorful blooms can brighten up even the smallest apartment. Herbs like lavender, rosemary and mint can be grown in pots, filling your home with their wonderful scents. Gardening, no matter the space, connects us with nature.